Hello, it's winter and I got another wig. This one's from Allove Hair. Let's get into it. Before we get into the actual wig, it did come with some goodies like they always do. This one came with a wig cap, edge brush, a little clippy clip, and an edge band. Okay, so this wig is a 28-inch deep wave. It is glueless, therefore it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. Of course, it comes with a band so it stays on your head. I'm not gonna lie, I was going to redo these curls or like wet them or something. I like the curls that came out the package. We're just gonna let's add some wax stick at the top. Is this part straight? Is that straight? I don't think so, actually. I think some of this you need to put there to make it look straighter. That's better, right? We're gonna add some concealer to the part. I'm gonna add some edges. I wanna put like an edge there. Clip's about to come in handy. We need to put these back so I can do my edges. Like that. I'm gonna use some Got2b to do this edge. Boom. Boom. And this is it. Look at how freaking cute this is. And Glueless. No, this hair is eating. This hair is so cute. Okay, bye guys. And it'll be linked in my TikTok shop.